Take two. Here comes some more. I think that's the water truck. He always has to come by, but does he need... Oh, wow. How many of them are there? That's the school bus. What do you want? Nope, that's another water truck. They're going to drain the water. Dang, I need to fill up jugs. Yeah, I'm out here with my sunglasses on. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can. I noticed during the Texas freeze, oh, God, please don't pull the freaking polar vortex. And you see, and the deputy goes, you gotta do something about all these spiders. I'm like, leave my spiders alone. Boy, I like that. Works really good. Works really good. Sometimes. Who put a book 5 years ago in that tree? Why? I'll never figure that one out. That's the only blinds left. I leave it there because if you notice, hanging down is Jacob's ladder. I got a sense of humor that you just can't imagine. What's going on with the ramp? I just keep moving these shingles around and mowing. Get back! You get back! Ah! You get back! You get back! I'm telling you, she got out yesterday. She has not been picked. Get back! Get back! You get back! You get back right now! Don't you even try it! Don't you even try it! No more boot, people! Got me some new ones at the food bank. And they fit perfectly. They fit for winter. Now this just... Anyway, yeah, how did that all come undone? You know, really? I got lots of work. I'm doing it too. I am doing it. Forget trying to seal your doors with anything. It don't work. Well, gotta send Brittany his letter back. What? Okay. Anyhow, love you guys. Y'all too out there. No fear, no worries. I'm doing the stars. I found my stars. Yeah. Solo cups suck. They cracked me up. Anyway, bye. Love you. God bless.